Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the IFS function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. So, firstly, this is what the syntax for IFS function looks like. As you can see, you can set conditions and then return a specific value if the conditions are met. You can do this multiple times until all the conditions are met, or you set an else statement at the end of the function. Though, you are not required to put an else statement, and there's a workaround instead of directly placing an else statement. To further explain the function, let's go ahead and try to do an example for it. Here, we want to know what type of item an apple is. We all know that it's a fruit, so let's go ahead and make it a fruit. Let's type the IFS function and then do a logical test. First, select the item that you want to enter. In this case, apples. Next, set a condition. If C4 is equal to the string apples, then it should return the value of fruit. If you type comma, you will be asked for a second logical test. Let's go ahead and enter something. If C4 is equal to keyboard, then technology is printed out. Next, for a third test, let's go ahead and test C4 again. If the cell C4 is spoon, then we should return tools. For now, we can end in this one, so we can try if what Excel would give once the item isn't present in the IFS function. Now that we have a result, let's go ahead and drag the cell all the way down to apply it to the other cells. Now, for the last cell, we were given the hashtag NA prompt. This is because we haven't set anything for anything that isn't what we already determined. This is where we can put an else statement. To edit this, just enter this prompt. Let's go ahead and type true. After that, let's put a result that corresponds to it. Let's go ahead and put miscellaneous or misc. Let's apply it to all cells. And there we go, we just updated it. And once we add more data that isn't present on our original code, it would just show up as miscellaneous. And that is how we use the IFS function in Microsoft Excel.